Hey everybody, it's your girl Allie, and here I am back again for another week in the Chris Sain 100K challenge. Shout out to Chris Sain, shout out to everybody that's participating in this challenge. Big up to you all, and thank you so much for continuing to truck it along with me and stopping by every week and seeing what I'm up to in the challenge, guys. I'll tell you what, last week was yet another eventful week in the challenge for me. I mean, as you guys know, because you've seen my portfolio, and if you haven't, welcome. You are tuned in to Allie's View. I'm Allie, and I'm glad that you stopped by. But as I was saying, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Help my video get trending. Try to get it going in the YouTube algorithm. But as I was saying, if you've seen my portfolio, you know that I have quite a bit of speculative plays. And I've been trying to build out positions. And I will tell you right now that I did jump on the AMC bandwagon. But before we go any further, I want to always like to let you guys see what day it is. Today is Saturday, May 22nd in the year 2021. In case somebody is watching this video 100 years from now and they're like, what were they doing back in 2021? What was this craze on YouTube all about, where people are trying to get to $100,000 and following along with Chris Sain and that family of people. So guys, this past week's been an eventful week for me, as it has been now going on what feels like 4 months. When you think about it, February, March, April, May, here we are in May. 4 months of it. What started out as a correction felt like a crash, and it just continues to go on. So one thing's for sure, learning how to trade and being a trader when it comes to the stock market, being an investor, as well as learning this aspect of trading has been really, really neat. I mean, a lot of times most people, I can definitely say for myself, I've invested in stocks before, but I just end up going in there, buying it and holding it in a portfolio, or having other people that are managing the portfolios. Like, you know, if you're in a company and you have a 401k plan, or you have a mutual fund of your own, and you just continually put the money in there and then it gets managed by somebody else. That's what I had been doing. And yeah, I bought a couple stocks here and there, even on Robinhood when this app first came out, but never to the extent that I'm doing it now, where I'm far more engaged in what's happening in here. And I'm trying, as you guys know, trying to get to 100K. And it seems like these last 4 months, most recently the last 8 or 9 weeks, it's been more like going south instead of going north. You guys know we've been trying to go north with this thing. This is the end of week 20 in the Chris Sain challenge. The trading dates were May the 17th through the 21st. Today is, like I said, May 22nd. It is a Saturday. And shout out and big up to everybody that's participating. I have been exploring new things, as you guys know. I did create a trading journal. If you're interested in taking a look at that, it is available on Amazon. I would love for you to have one. I am participating in a trading course, which is where I've got some great ideas. I mean, some of you may have seen some of the recent call options that I've been trying, where I've been going in there trying to identify and actually identifying the buyer levels and finding some call options. Now, because I don't have the kind of money to buy in the money, I've been doing some out of the money call options, and they actually have been going pretty good. Picked up a few dollars here and there, and you'll see I got another one going for Carvana. Carvana has been on fire. It took off. It fell down into the buyer's level last week, and it shot up. You guys may have seen the short video that I did on that. It was just under 60 seconds. Oh, there goes my air conditioning coming on. I should have known. Anyway, that's telling me to speed this thing up and get out of here. So guys, you'll see that I picked up some AMC shares. Was trying to build that out, and I'm going to go ahead and build it out to 100. That's what I'm trying to get to with the AMC. I took some money out of PLTR. I know. I shouldn't have, but I did. So who knows? Maybe those people on Reddit are right. Maybe it will shoot up to $100 a share. And if it does, and when it does, then I will have made a good decent profit. But right now it's gone down like $2 since when I bought the AMC. As far as, like I said, I told you about the trade and travel course. I shared that with you before. It's Terry Ijeoma. If you're interested in learning about trading stocks, or actually learning how to day trade and swing trade by understanding technical analysis and finding buyer levels and seller levels in stocks, you may consider the course. Terry Ijeoma is a renowned educator. She was an assistant principal, and now she's turned her dream of trading and traveling the world, she's turned it into an empire. She's training people like myself. She's trained about over 6,000 people, and they're continually coming on board. You may have heard about her. So trade and travel, that's the course. There is a link in the description if you're interested in considering taking Terry's course. Couple of other things. There is a link in the description for a free stock if you don't already have a Robinhood account and you want to set one up. Now, next week, I am thinking about, here I go again with another one of my out of the money call options. That's right, I'm giving it to you now. I'm going to try SPACE, SPCE. That is the ticker symbol, and I'm going to try it because it's in the buyer's level right now based on what I saw with the chart, and it's already starting to take off. Hopefully the news of the successful launch today with Virgin Galactic's rocket, where they've got that plane that was going, the plane actually that's using the rockets to try to go out into space. It was a successful takeoff. So that was a success. There's been great news around that. So I anticipate I'm no financial advisor, and I am learning more and more every day about investing. But some have said they were kind of interested in seeing what I'm trying. So that's what I'm going to try this week. I'm going to try an out of the money call option on Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. That is the ticker symbol. So who knows? Maybe it'll take off. I know over the last 52 weeks, it has been, right now it's in the 20s. I think right at this moment it's like $21, $21 and some change. But it's been as high as $62.80. Not saying that it's gonna just skyrocket all the way, literally skyrocket, get it, skyrocket. Not saying that it's gonna skyrocket all the way back up to $62 this week, but who knows? It may go up $2 or $3, maybe $5. Who knows? If it does, I want to try to catch that wave. It's your girl Allie. If you haven't already given this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, please consider doing that. Help my video get trending. And that's what your girl's been up to. Not a whole lot going on in my portfolio. It's gone south, like I said. But, hey, I got a lot of crypto. Well, not a lot, but crypto's weighing it. You know, I got the Mara, I got the Riot. And you already know what's happening with those. That's what's going on between the Mara, the Riot, the Dogecoin, the Ethereum, what is the other one? Of course, Bitcoin. Goes without saying. That's what's going on. And those things are kind of dragging your girl down. What? I'm staying optimistic. Without any further ado, guys, let's get into my portfolio. And I hope you guys will have a wonderful, wonderful week next week trading. Happy trading! Okay, everybody, here we are inside of my portfolio. As I shared, this is the end of week 20, trading days May 17th through the 21st in the year 2021. And guys, I have to tell you, oh, this has been quite a week. You can see I picked up a call option for CVX. It's down a little. It expires on this coming Friday. It was in the buyer level, and I thought that it would start to take off, but you can see where it's sitting. Of course, Carvana, we've been looking at this one. I made money on it early in the week. It looked like it picked up this one here picked up some steam on Friday, So hopefully things will continue by the end of the week, this coming week. You can see fuel cell. I like fuel cell a lot. My AMC calls have just not been what I had hoped. I'm still up right now because of where I bought in at. Got the Microsoft. You can see what's going on with that one. I do have a little bit of time on that AMC. I still have the 2 PLTRs. You can see where I am on that. Just taking a beating on that one. AMC, this is another AMC call that I got, and you can see I'm taking a beating on this one. It expires on June the 18th. I heard about Wanda selling a lot of shares, which took the price of AMC down. So who knows? Maybe that'll help everything to level off a little bit. You guys know I love Goldman Sachs. I'm still rocking with Goldman Sachs, even though I'm down in the dumps right now on it. Got a little bit more time. Got till June 18th on that one. OCGN, I'm still with this one. You can see I'm down as well on the OCGN. Was hopeful about it. And this is the last AMC call that I got. You can see I'm losing there. So when you wonder what's going on with my money between AMC, the crypto, and just these call options that are just hurting me right now, that's what's going on with your girl. Fuel cell, on a more positive note, it looks like it's in the green. I got a lot more time on this one. Fuel cell took off and got up to 889, and now it's kind of in a holding pattern. So hopefully things will continue before I reach expiration on that. There's the Walgreens crowd. You can see, still have those, and I'm just going to go ahead and probably just keep them till the end of the year and see what happens. As for Nokia, Nokia has done well for me. It's up $50. You guys know I bought this out of the money, and now it's in the money, and it expires January 21st of 2020. So we'll see what happens with that. As far as the rest of my portfolio, this is where I stand. I told you guys about what happened with the PLTR and how I had bought the AMC shares. You can see where I stand with the AMC. Thought I had bought it at 14. I actually bought it at 13.76, so that was a little bit lower. Now's the time to buy more if I'm going to get to 100 on this thing. So that's what I'm shooting for, to try to build it out to 100. Maybe the squeeze will happen. And these last little guys down here at the bottom, I got a few free stocks, so you can see I'm just holding on to them. I got 3 free stocks last week. So, oh, and the crypto. Don't want to leave the crypto out. You can see what's going on with the crypto. My Dogecoin, I had it at 5 cents, and then I bought some more and got it at 9 cents. So still holding on there. Dogecoin seems to still be doing okay. Never really had a lot of Bitcoin, but I had some Bitcoin, and you can see it's even fallen lower than what I had bought it at. So now is the time for me to buy Bitcoin if I'm going to buy. And then I picked up just a few dollars of the Ethereum Classic, just a couple of dollars, not anything to write home about. And then the regular Ethereum, you can see where I am right now, still up a little bit on that. Guys, that's my portfolio. I'm still on the road to 100K, and I will get there. So it may take a while, but I will get there. It's your girl, Allie. Don't forget, this week I am going to try a call option on SPCE. That is the ticker symbol. It is, in fact, we'll look at that real quick. It is Virgin Galactic. You can see it's trading right now at $21.22. After hours, it's up 15 cents. You can see it was also around $62.80 over the last 52 weeks. And like I said, it is in a buyer level right now. So hopefully when I buy the call option this week, hopefully, you know, it will be out of the money. I already told you that. And it's probably going to be way up here somewhere too. But anyway, it's your girl, Allie, and I'm just letting you guys know what I'm going to be doing next week. Hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic week. You can see I finished down 16.3%. It's your girl, Allie. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You are watching Allie's View, and thank you. Have a happy, happy trading week next week. Bye for now.